Hello, this is Maro. I'm a juggler from Japan. Today I'm gonna show you 10 leg moves for jugglers. Maybe you know how to move your hand, but how about your leg? Don't forget your legs. If you are not used to moving your leg while juggling, then maybe you can find some useful idea from this video. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, that's it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. It gives me huge motivation and I will post more videos about dance with objects, so please subscribe and practice together with me. Thanks for watching. See you on next video. ありがとう。